welcome to Lavonne's kitchen. And today I'm making some roast beef. The roast beef is ready and I'm ready to taste it. Oh, this is real good! I gotta go, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye! See you next time in Lavonne's kitchen. Bye!